Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, my students. Today we're going to finish Next Move Unit 2, prepared and presented by your teacher, Ms. Arij Banat. Please open your books, page 22. We're going to have a look at the following map of Costa Rica. Now, as you can see, there are lots of things missing in this map. So we have some names of places, oceans or seas, and we have a key for this map. So you need to know what this means, and so on. By going back to the text that is below, we're going to read the text, and from the text we're going to find out the names of places and eventually the meaning of the key here. So let's start reading. Costa Rica is a beautiful country in Central America, which is between North America and South America. The Pacific Ocean is to the west. Now here we're talking about the Pacific Ocean. So it's going to be to the west. This is the west. So this is the Pacific Ocean. Let's proceed and finish reading. The Pacific Ocean is to the west and the Caribbean Sea is to the east. So since this is a Pacific Ocean on the west, or in the west, so this is going to be the Caribbean Sea to the east. There is a famous volcano in the north. It's called the Arenal Volcano. So there's a volcano. It's in the north. This is a sign of a volcano. It's down here. So this must be the Arenal Volcano. Let's continue reading now. There are rivers and lakes in Costa Rica. The largest lake in Costa Rica is Lake Arenal, near the volcano. So they say here Lake Arenal, near the volcano. This is a volcano. It's here. This looks like a lake, so this must be Lake Arenal. The Turaba is the longest river. Now here they're talking about the rivers. So we have a river here, 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 and here. Which one is the longest? This is the one. So this is probably the Turaba river. Let's continue reading now. The Turaba River is the longest river. The capital city is San Jose. It's in the center of the country. Now, the center of the country is exactly here. So this must be San Jose. Notice how it is written, but we read it in a different way. So it's not San Jose, that's wrong. San Jose. This is probably the closest in pronunciation. This is not an English word. It's in the center of the country. The highest mountain is Cerro Chirripo, south of San Jose. This is how we read the name of the mountain. So here we have the mountain. It is south of San Jose. So this is San Jose here. South of it, this is the place where the mountain, which is called Cerro Chirripo. Now, since we are done writing the names of places on the map, we're going to find out the key. So the first one looks like the lake or a lake. The next symbol is for volcanoes in general. The next one is a capital. Then we have the mountain here. It's already written for you. And the last one is a river. Now open your workbook page 17. We're going to do question number 1. What we have to do here basically is to match each question with its answer. And then finally, we will match question and answer to the pictures below. So let's start with number 1. It's already done for you. What do they look like? They're small and white. The only small and white things in the pictures below are these eggs. So it must be B. Now let's go to number 2. What does he look like? Now since we asked using he, so the answer should start with he as well. So he has black hair and glasses. Question number 3. What does it look like? It's brown and it has a hard shell. Number 4. What does she look like? She's tall, she has long black hair. And number 5. What do you look like? I'm small and I have short brown hair. Now, if you match the questions and answers to the pictures, so number 5 goes with D, number 3 goes with C, number 2 goes with A, and number 1 goes with E. Please copy your answers to the workbook. Now let's go to question number 2. Look and complete the questions, then write the answers. As you can see here, we have pictures of a number of creatures, some insects, reptiles, and so on. So here we have a butterfly, a ladybird, a turtle, a snake, a spider, and a parrot. Here we have to make questions using this expression, what do look like. So let's start with number 2. What do? They're small, they have 6 legs, they're black and red. So the only thing that matches this is ladybirds. So what do ladybirds look like? They're small, they have 6 legs, they're black and red. Now question number 3, what do? They're long and thin, they don't have legs. So the only long and thin thing that has legs, or that doesn't have legs, is the snake. So the question should be, what do snakes look like? They're long and thin, they don't have legs. Question number 4 is about spiders. Here are spiders, or here's a spider, sorry. So I should say, what do spiders look like? They're small, they have 8 legs. Now you can say they're scary, they're black, or whatever, and so on. Number 5, you can ask about turtles. What do turtles look like? They're brown, they have a hard shell. And the last one, what do parrots look like? They're colorful, they have wings. Please do progress check page 24 in your pupil's book. If you have any questions, let me know. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. It was Miss Arij Banat with you today. Have a good day. Bye.